Hello, good morning. Kakagising ko lang guys and I've got a package again today from Suki Skin Essentials. So let's see what's inside. Again, this is a collagen night firming soothing mask. Bale, pinadala na nila ako nito nung napadala sila sa akin ng sunblock and ngayon, buy one take one na siya guys. And I really love the result after 1 week of using it. So nag-order ulit ako ng buy one take one and super mura lang siya for only 152 pesos. Meron ka ng dalawang collagen night firming soothing mask na mayroong 20 pieces inside. So the total of 40 pieces. And mayroon na din kasamang Silk Protein Essence Bar. Ito yung skin brightening and moisturizing oil control anti-acne mites removal soap nila guys, and it's really mabango. Kasi nababasa ko sa mga reviews na mabango daw siya and it's really trending guys, so gusto ko siya i-try on myself. So bubuksan natin kung ano yung itsura ng sabon nila. So it is a goat's milk that contains vitamins and minerals that help prevent skin aging and gives the skin elastic and smooth texture. Ito yung Silk Protein nila guys that promotes skin cell repair and regeneration. It reduces transdermal water loss to maintain skin's hydration levels. It boosts the collagen levels leading to a firmer skin and protects skin from sun damage. Ito yung size niya guys and mabango siya. May kasama na din siyang foaming net. Ito yung itsura niya. So dito may papasok yung soap guys. Basahin mo siya ng water and gently rub until it forms into a creamy lather. Then apply on the skin. Gently massage for more than 30 seconds and rinse thoroughly with water. Ito din pala yung itsura ng collagen night firming soothing mask nila guys. So 20 pieces inside. So ganito yung itsura niya. Yung bags niya guys, and 1 bags or 1 sachet is equivalent to 4 ml, and then you're gonna spread it all over your face every night. So 20 bags siya inside, good for 20 days. So buy one take one siya guys, mayroon 40 pieces inside, so good for 40 days mo ito magagamit. Itatry natin tong gamitin yung Silk Protein Essence Bar nila guys. So maliligo ako ngayon, so ito yung gagamitin ko na sabon. So unahin mo yung sa face guys kasi it's oil control and anti-acne. And then dito sa arms and whole body mo guys. And then mayroon siyang mites removal at saka ang bango niya guys. So if may mga insects bites and mites bites ka, so nare-remove niya guys, natatanggal. After rinsing it with water guys, so ito yung itsura niya. Mayroon siyang instant whitening effect. So if you wanna order all of this, just check the yellow basket below for only 152.10 pesos guys. Super mura na. Bye everyone!